USB keeps connecting and disconnecting on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if the USB keeps connecting and disconnecting on your Windows, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the USB hub keeps connecting and disconnecting itself, what you can try to do over here is, sometimes it could be the issue with the USB itself. So you can, if you have other phones or other USB drive, try to connect those. And sometimes the issue could also be with the USB port. So if you have a separate USB port, you can also go ahead and then actually log into those USB instead, and then from there you will be able to hopefully solve it. If it still doesn't solve, then I would recommend that you simply go ahead and then open up Device Manager here. Once you open up Device Manager, you will see all the devices along with the USB that you are connected. So when you connect a certain device, you'll find all those USBs over here. You can just right click on it, click on Scan for hardware changes, and if there's a certain USB that you can definitely find here, then you can again right click on it and choose to update the drivers here. And once you choose to update the drivers, you can search automatically for drivers to see if that helps you. But most of the times, changing the USB port or the USB device itself might help you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.